Welcome to your 2-minute escape. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and allow your body to gently settle. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand fully. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly release the breath through your mouth, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Repeat this once more. A deep inhale filling you with calm, and a slow exhale releasing all worries. Now, bring your attention to the miniature world unfolding before you. Observe the intricate details of the model trains as they smoothly glide along their tracks. Notice the tiny landscapes they traverse, the quaint villages, the rolling hills, the bustling train stations. See the tiny people going about their miniature lives, adding to the charm of this peaceful scene. Let your gaze follow a single train as it embarks on its journey, watching its gentle movement, listening to the soft, rhythmic hum of its engine. There's no rush in this world. Everything moves at its own unhurried pace. Allow your mind to simply observe without judgment or analysis. If any thoughts drift into your awareness, acknowledge them gently, and then imagine them boarding one of the passing trains, carried away into the distance. Feel a sense of tranquility wash over you as you become absorbed in this miniature universe. Allow the gentle movement, the subtle sounds, and the focused observation to quiet your mind. Take one more deep, cleansing breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth, feeling utterly relaxed and at peace. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings, carrying this newfound calm with you.